finna put some Father's John in his mouth. He's in the bathroom. He's coming right now, you guys. Hold on. She probably did. I don't know.
Don't go nowhere, baby.
Love you.
Why you do that shit?
I got him, you guys. You see it? He's coming, you guys. He's mad.